It's science time.
Science!
Why does my charging kit make weird buzzing noises? When the percentage of battery of the device is low, it takes up greater amounts of current through the charger. There is a mini transformer that operates at high frequency inside the charger. The current is always passing through the transformer. While passing a current, a transformer vibrates due to the rapid change in the magnetic field. Due to this, the buzzing noise in the charger is produced, as it is very small and also high frequency, making the sound more shrill.